Hello friends, welcome back to Lunatic Tutorials. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize a EBS volume that is already attached to a EC2 instances. Because on some cases, we may need to extend the size of the EBS volume. So watch the video till the end. If you are watching our video for the first time, please do subscribe now and click nearby bell icon so that you won't miss any interesting videos that we upload. We have already uploaded a lot of videos related to DevOps, AWS, Kubernetes, and other technologies too. If you are interested in learning, you can have a look and make sure you have subscribed our channel. Let's get started. To show you this demo, I have a running instance called Demo1 on which I am going to show you this volume expansion. I have logged into my EC2 instance through PuTTY, and this is a Amazon Linux EC2 machine. So currently I have additional disk that is XVDF that is mounted on /MNT, and size of the existing EBS volume is 2 GB, and it is mounted on /MNT and it is having test data. Let me show you how to resize this particular volume. So first thing, what you have to do is go to the instance and select the right EC2 machine and scroll down and go to storage. And if you come down a little bit, you'll be able to see the list of volumes being attached to this particular EC2 instance. You have to be very careful while doing this. This particular EC2 machine is having two EBS volume, and one is 8 GB. This is my root volume, and this is an additional disk of 2 GB. This is the volume actually we are going to extend it. So just copy this volume ID, or you can just click on it. It will take you to the volume page. Now make sure it is selected, then go to actions, then click on modify volume. First thing, you have to resize the volume on the AWS management console. Then we have to resize the volume at the OS level. So here it is showing that it is a 2 GB. Let me put this to 4 GB. So from 2 GB to, I'm extending the disk to 4 GB. Alright. Now click on modify. It will give you a small warning that it may take some time for the performance changes to take full effect. And also they inform you to extend the OS file system on the volume to use any new allocated space. This is what we are going to perform now. Just click on yes and close. Just refresh this page to make sure the size is extended at the AWS level first. So it is extended. Now go to your PuTTY session and execute the command lsblock to make sure the volume is extended at the kernel level. So XPDF, now it is changed to 4 GB from 2 GB. Okay, if I put df-h, still it remains 2 GB. So this is where we have to extend our file system or partition at the OS level. So based on your file system, we have to use the appropriate command. So for example, if you have a XFS file system, then we have to use xfs_growfs command. And if you have any ext file system, then we have to use resize to fs. So how do we confirm the file system? So just execute the command called mount. This will list you all the mounted volumes along with the file system type. So here if you have a look at the last line, XVDF, it is mounted on /MNT with type XFS, which means my volume type is XFS. Now sudo, since it is a XFS file system, I'm going to use xfs_growfs command along with the device name. That's it. The data blocks changed from so and so values to this one. df-h to make sure that is extended or not. Yes, the mounted EBS volume is extended online from 2 GB to 4 GB. Let me have a look of my data. Yes, it is there. That's it. This is how we can resize or extend the existing EBS volume that are mounted to a EC2 instance without unmounting and without any data loss. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and have fun.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.lunaticguide.net.